Today we are going to color dry eyes. Yay! Kimmy, look. Oh, these colors.
Mommy?
Yes.
Purple. Yellow.
Yes, yellow.
Red.
Red.
Oh.
Wait, blue.
Blue. Orange.
Orange.
Green.
Yay! Okay, Kimiko. Which color you want to put the dry eyes? Mommy going to put one dry eye right here. You ready?
Yes.
So fun.
Don't touch. No hands inside.
Little bit. Yeah. Okay. What's color?
This.
What's color?
This.
Yellow.
No. What?
Orange?
Yeah.
Okay, orange. Woo! Which color you want?
Yes.
Select.
Red.
Next.
Blue.
Blue. And then
Bullet.
yellow.
Green.
And are you ready to do
Yeah.
eyes, dry eyes in green?
My sister.
Give me. Look the green. It's a bubbles came up. Oh oh. Touch.
やめて。
やめて。Bubbles came out. Oh no. Oh no. Look. And Careful. Give me look. Whoa. Look.
Kimmy, are the bubbles cold or hot?
Cold. It's like magic.
Mama, wait.
Give me look. Give me.
Mama, Jan.